We can see here 4 contactors. The 2 first are for spinning, going to the right or to the left, and the other ones, which are on the bottom left, they are to control the star delta configuration, so we can start the motor in 2 times. In this way, at first, we don't have so much intensity, so the circuits and the motors don't suffer so much. Anyway, you have a lot of information on the internet about these kind of configurations, all the diagrams, all the circuits. So the normal function here is when we start with the first button, it is going to the right, the motor is spinning to the right, and when we push the second button, the second green button, it goes to the left. We have a 3-phase motor, is connected through 4 contactors. 2 are for spinning left, spinning right, and star delta configuration. So we control everything with this NodeMCU board, little board, and this has 3.3 volts of outputs from D0 to D8. We only use from D0 to D3 because we have 4 contactors, but we are doing that control through the solid state relays. These are 4 solid state relays here in this board. So we have here the 4 channels coming from the NodeMCU, and we have to get 5 volts of power here, and this is the part of the relays that we activate or not depending on the program. So this is the power source from 230 volts. It's coming from the thermic protection, just in case, and the same for the Arduino power. We have a converter from 230 AC to 5 DC. For the Arduino alimentation, we did this, okay, to connect it. And these are all the outputs, the 4 outputs from the relays to each contactor. And here we programmed that we have to stop the motor if the motor is spinning and we want to change with the other button. It can do it because we're checking the status, so we have to stop it, and then now we can start the other spinning direction. The star delta configuration is made through the program too. We have 5 seconds of timing. We can do it less or more, or even we could do a window to change the value interactive. So, but now it's 5 seconds only to try. So it's connecting from, it's making the change from here to there. And when we do the change, we are sure reading the information of the output to be sure that we turn off this first and then we turn on this. Anyway, we have a delay of 100 milliseconds. Okay, just in case of delays, mechanical delays, so to be sure we don't make a short circuit. And this is the control. Okay, so you can see here how it works. So we can start it, it's spinning left as you can see. Okay, changing the status from start to delta. Now we're going to stop it, and now we're going to start it to the right. It's spinning right, start. Now it changed to delta, it changed the color, and it changed the connections, and the status of the contactors are here, okay, and they are updated too. So that's all. The good thing of this application is that if we have another device, I can start So you're going to see there how it references status changing now. We're going to stop it. You have a little delay time, but as you can see, it works perfectly. Okay. And the same, if I'm going here and I start the motor here on the phone, it's going to be updated. Okay, here the same. Right.